Welcome back, guys. In this video we're going to be learning how to create a Redux store in free code camp section of Redux. Right, so it says that Redux is a state management framework that can be used with a number of different web technologies, including React. In Redux, there's a single state object that's responsible for the entire state of your application. This means if you had a React app and with 10 components, and each component has its own local state, the entire state of your app would be defined by a single state object housed in a Redux store. This is the first and foremost important principle to understand when learning Redux. The Redux store is a single source of truth when it comes to the application state. And this also means that anytime any piece of your app wants to update state, it must do so through the Redux store. The unidirectional data flow makes it easier to track state management in your app. So to have a bit of an hands-on, it gives us this exercise to do. Alright, so it says that the Redux store is an object which holds and manages application state. There's a method called create store on the Redux object, which you use to create the Redux store. This method takes a reducer function as a required argument. The reducer function is covered in a later challenge and is already defined for you in the code editor. It simply takes a state as an argument and returns state. So this is that's a reducer method is talking about, and as you can see that it takes a state which is 5 and just simply returns the state. Alright, so it says declare store variable. So let's declare store variable here, const, and then that's store, and then what did it say? Assign it to the create store method. So remember from the previous paragraphs, it says that the create store method is on the Redux object. So let's access that. Redux, that's my object, and this is my store method here. Alright, and then what it says is passing in the reducer as an argument. So reducer as an argument. Alright, perfect. And I just hope it passes. Let's test it. Yay, power up. Yes, we have. Right, guys, I hope you understood the concept of creating a Redux store. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below and I'll make sure I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Until next video, keep on practicing this new concept and I'll see you then.